get over the next rise, and it's like, I can't see him. Must have stayed into it.
Welcome to Outback Polaks. We've got a new virgin.
Be gentle.
Be gentle. Yeah.
It's gonna be a rough ride, baby.
Not for the vlog, but anyway.
Shame for this.
Second week of reduced isolation, restrictions loosened. Got the Ducati today. What is it? Monster 659. Honda, 2 MT-07s, and a Speed Triple. Are you ready?
Yeah. Yes.
Born ready.
Yeah.
We're up at O'Reilly's. We've done 200 Ks. Maciek, how's your first ride?
Yeah, so far so good.
Yeah, survived.
So far.
So far, yeah. Touch some wood.
Now we've got to go home.
Now we're going right
all
back.
the way back.
Yeah, jeez, my body is killing me. Too old for this. You're too young for this.
That was a pretty good run.